My dream in Amadeo is that, una, to promote Amadeo as another Cavite ecotourism destination. Kung kayo bibili ng lupa sa Amadeo, we want to retain the 70% as agricultural land. Diba? Maganda, di ba? Yes. No, sa ibaba, medyo mainit na dito. Mainit pero bearable naman. Pangalawa, because I am in the academy for 28 years, education is very important. Kahit wala akong lupang ipapamana sa iyo, magtapos ka lang. Yun lagi ang sinasabi ng ating mga magulang. And this is true in Amadeo. Another thing siguro is we want to promote, we want to stimulate economic growth in Amadeo. We are proud to tell you, napakarami pong resort dito. The place is so nice, is so peaceful. Later on, pag kayo nag-retire, in 3 years time, you can put it in your bucket list, ang Amadeo as your retiring place. So thank you so much. Continue dreaming. Lagi po tayong mangarap dahil sa pangarap natin nasa ating mga kamay ang kalagayan nito. Maraming po salamat. God bless po everyone.